Step 3 of creating a prick and stitch design is to thread your design. So for this step, we need our previously prepared design, still facing with the back side up where we've taped our thread. And we also need our design instructions. So we just flip this over so we can see how our dots that we've created matches the pattern on our design here, our design instructions. We can see that what we need to do is take our thread out of the first hole, which is A here, which matches our instructional design, and then we're going to thread back in through B, which is this hole down here. So we take our design, flip it back over to the back, we go out at A, which is this hole here, pulling the needle through like so, and then pulling through our thread. We're now up to the second part of that step of the instructions, which is to go into our hole at B. Oops, let's turn it around so it faces and matches the instructions. In through the hole at B, put our needle through the hole, pulling the thread through like so. Oops, that's okay if it catches on the corner, we can just pull it out like that. So now we have our first step. Our next job is to go out at C and in at D. So we have C, which if we flip over, we notice is just one hole over from where we've just pulled our thread through. So let's pull our thread needle through, pulling out at C all the way. Oops. And then we go back in through D, corresponding with our instructions. So we just continue moving across one hole each time, out through the back of the design, and in through the front of the design. Even though we will eventually run out of letters on our instructions, we can tell that we're quite obviously creating a pattern here. So we just keep moving over one hole on the back each time, moving out through the back, in through the front, and eventually we're going to get to the stage where a design looks like this, and that means you'll have finished step 3.